this is Dr. Priyanshi Kumar quoting Zainab ma'am's words, "कहानी तुम्हारी है, हो सके तो कमाल लिखना." So here I am to share my kahani. I have done my MBBS from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College, Bengaluru, and in NEET PG 2025, I secured a rank of 1013. So I started preparing after my internship in 2024. I got married the same year, and then everyone used to doubt that, of course, it's not possible to get a seat in NEET PG with marriage and all the other things going on. I just ignored whatever anyone was saying and kept preparing. In January, I had completed reading my syllabus for once, and that is the time when I came across BTR. So that was the turning point in my journey, the very turning point in my journey. It gave me everything which was missing in my preparation, and Zainab ma'am has beautifully compiled all the important stuff, important topics to be revised all at one place, and I struggled to do that in my whole MBBS and after that as well. I'm not someone who makes notes, so BTR did all of that for me. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Almighty and my parents for making me who I am, my brother who has always stuck by me and given me advices every now and then. I would also like to thank my in-laws for giving me every support and every comfort that I wanted and needed, and I didn't even have to ask for it. My best friend, who herself was going through the NEET PG journey, but she helped me through my every breakdown, and all my teachers, and a special mention to my husband, Dr. Anish Tamrakar, who stood by me like a rock and motivating me whenever I needed it and whenever I didn't even know that I needed it. So Zainab ma'am always says that for your hippocampus to store anything in the long-term memory, you either connect emotion with it or you make a story out of it. So she made a story out of it with all her mnemonics. And then I'm not even kidding when I tell you that you can literally hear those stories while you're giving the exam and while you come across that question. And I had done offline BTR at Vidya Jeevan, 4-day offline BTR. And then Apur sir told us कि BTR Zainab का इश्क है. And that's absolutely true. It shows that it is the most important thing, one of the most important things for ma'am, her students, whatever she does so generously for all her students. And I was always impressed by Apur sir's and Ravi sir's motivational speech. And Ravi sir had told about the cursor method, which helped me a lot in the exam. And the last day of BTR, I didn't take a picture with Zainab ma'am because I hoped that I come here again with my results. And thankfully, with God's grace, it has come true. In the last few days, I lived by the quote shared by Zainab ma'am, "One day at a time." And in the exam hall, just like she said, every question is a new opportunity to turn the course of the exam. I followed that. So I have followed her timetables and quotes very, very stringently. I would like to thank ma'am for everything she does for us so generously with all her heart. And I can actually write a book, so I'll just stop here. I'm very, very grateful for everything and very blessed. And when ma'am said, I'll be there for you, she did mean it. Believe to rakho.